Hey everyone, Mike Sherry here with Paul Sherry Used Cars. I've got an awesome used car to show you today. If you're looking for an economy car, just go ahead and turn this video off. This one's not for you. It's a 2021 Dodge Charger. It's a 392 wide body, and it's the Scat pack. It's been upfitted with some professionally installed equipment to make this truly a one-of-a-kind and American performance car. So let's jump into it. I got the hood open. We got to look under the hood. This has got the Whipple Supercharger in it, professionally installed. Also got custom headers on it. The exhaust sounds amazing. Really a clean car. One owner, just got traded in at the dealership here. Everything looks really good. The front splitter down low looks good. LED in your headlights. A wide body, so you're going to get your fender flare extenders here. This is a factory optioned out car there. Tires are in great shape. It's got your Brembo brakes on it. A lot of tread left there. Got our 392 badging. Does have opening skylight. Two-tone interior. I really like it. So the inserts on the seats is in red, and this is the Alcantara, which is a race car fabric, race car design fabric, trimmed in leather. Really a good looking car. Got heated seats in the perimeter back here. So the two on the edge are heated. Pull down beverage holder. Dual exhaust coming out the back. Parking sensors, rear backup camera. Flat black spoiler. Nice large trunk. Back window here is electronic defrosting. Rear tires are in great shape. Show you the tread here. Wheels look great. If you have any questions, give us a call. Financing is available. We make it super easy on you. You can just fill out your information right online, and we'll send it into the bank, shop around, figure out who the best rate and term and all that is for your scenario. So I'll post a link down there for you to check that out. Four-way power lumbar for your back, and then power seat there. Really a clean interior. Got all the upgrades on it. 14,204 miles on it. With the Whipple being added, it's all the computer's all been programmed, so there's no lights or anything on the dash. Automatic headlights, power seats, power windows and locks. Steering wheel's heated and leather. Got cruise control and adaptive cruise control, hands-free connectivity, paddle shifters, volume and tuning controls for the radio. Push button ignition. Got the AM/FM Sirius XM radio. Does have factory nav. Has heated seats and vented seats. If you notice, the Alcantara's got little perforations in it. That allows for cool air to come up and cool you down on those hot days. Radio controls, heating and air conditioning, spot for your phone, automatic transmission, spot for the key, which is in my pocket. Let me show it to you. Got trunk release and remote start in addition to your lock, unlock, and panic. Beverage holders here, some USB, change organizer, 12-volt power. Sunglass hut. It's got opening skylight here. Programs there for your garage doors, and it does have your shade that comes closed here. So I did pull up the history report. Let me show you here. It's always important when buying a used vehicle to look at its history report. This is stuff you don't know by looking at the car. So this tells us it's one owner, tells us never been in an accident, tells us it doesn't have any title issues, no funny business where people rolled back miles or anything like that. It's all clear and scores really good. This is a nice, clean car, both on the AutoCheck side and also just the actual reality, the physical aspects of the car. Super clean. So as you may be aware, maybe not, they're not going to be building these Chargers gasoline powered anymore, we're told. So this is kind of an American piece of history that may one day be lost. So if you want part of it, and a really cool part of it, and really an awesome supercharged wide body Charger, I don't think I've ever seen a wide body charger. I've seen a few wide body Challengers, but the Charger is really unique. So give us a call. We'd be happy to help you out. Give us a call to make sure it's still available. And if it is, we'll show you how easy it is to do business here. Take care.